Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get $50,000 health credit card to cover your medical expenses. Yes, this credit card has been introduced specifically to cover your medical expenses such as your health care, your eye and vision, your dental care, and much more health related expenses. Yes, we have always been stuck in those bills. It's on our credit, and like we are always afraid to act towards the doctors and of course to the clinics because we don't want them to actually put the bills or huge bills exactly on our credit report. So now we have a solution. They have really easy payment terms. You can do that, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $30,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here is an amazing opportunity in front of you. And why I'm calling it an amazing opportunity, because this is something what we all have been waiting for, and this is an opportunity from Synchrony Bank. Yes, they have a lot of products, and this is one of their products, and I can call it the best products as well, because the most of the cases that I work with, that like they come to me, hey, I have some credit inquiries, I have some collections on my credit report, and most of the collections are actually from the healthcare department, or you can say from clinics or hospitals. And of course it's really hard to pay them because they're like huge bills. So now you can actually cover those expenses, and even if you have insurance, you have a deductible, you can use this credit card to use the deductible. And remember that they actually report to all 3 credit bureaus, so you can build your credit with this as well. And this is an amazing opportunity in my point of view. So you can actually calculate your payment as well. They have a pretty awesome payment calculator. They have a mobile app where you can actually pay down your bills, your monthly payments, or you can actually search for different hospitals and clinics that you can actually go to and where they accept this credit card. Well, pretty much almost 99.9% of the hospitals and the clinics and the emergency center, they actually accept this credit card. But still, it's always nice to actually check the location where you live and see that if your doctors and your provider actually accept this credit card. So now as they say that like you can actually calculate your payment, how much you're gonna be paying if you use this credit card. At the same time, they have the mobile app, and of course you can use credit to pay your healthcare bills online as well. So you can do that, so don't worry about it. And believe me, it's an amazing opportunity. You can not only use it for your own health, you can actually use it for your animal or pet care as well. If you have a pet, you can use it. You can use it for chiropractic, for cosmetic, for dentistry, as I always told you, dermatology, fitness, hearing. So of course, when it comes to the fitness, if you have any membership with any fitness clubs, you can do that, or you can also pay your instructor with this card. Of course, you can do it for hearing, hospitals and surgical centers, labs and diagnostics, medical equipment and supplies, pharmacies and personal care, primary care clinics. Of course, if you have trouble sleeping, you have insomnia or something, you can use that for that. You want to do massage and you like to have massages and spa and stuff, you can do that. And of course, vision and weight loss and other sort of medical treatments, you can do that. The great thing about this that like they have an introductory period, and I would like to tell you about it. And what I really love about their introductory period is actually that you can actually pay them with 0 interest, so you won't have to pay a single penny. So yes, for example, right here you can see that no interest if paid in full within 6, 12, 18 or 24 months. For example, if the minimum purchase amount is 200 or more, and if you're being paying it for 6 months, 12 months, 18 months or 24 months, you won't have to pay a single penny back in APR, so don't worry about it. And in my point of view, it is one of the most amazing opportunities that you can have. The great thing is that how you can apply for it, I will tell you each and everything in a bit. I will take you on a tour of its application as well, but let's see what they actually require to complete the application. They require your doctor's name, or how you plan to use your credit card, or your of course care credit card, that is for specifically for your health purposes, your full name, your address, your date of birth, your social security or ITIN number, your net income, and your housing information. Remember, the minimum score that they require is 623. Again, the minimum score they require is 623. If you have a score of 623, you will be approved, but of course the limit will be subject to your credit standing, so keep that in mind. But I think the minimum that they give, I believe it's around 2500, and it goes up to $50,000. So now let's see how it works, as they're gonna say. So I'm just gonna actually take you to a couple of questions that I really like that they answered right here. So the most important for me is like, what is care credit? So the care credit is a healthcare designed for your health wellness needs. It's a way to pay down the cost of many treatment and procedures, allows you to make convenient monthly payment. Credit card accepted over 225,000 providers nationwide. So remember, you can do that, and also if you have a deductible with your insurance, you can use this credit card to pay for it, and you can just pay it with your convenience, that you know when you can pay it, you can do that. But remember, it's a credit card, so you have to pay down the bill or the minimum payment every month or every billing cycle, so keep that in mind. So you can also have a co-signer on this one as well, if you want to co-sign for someone. If someone is willing to co-sign for you, then you can definitely do that. And remember, you can also add an authorized user with this one, so this is also a great thing. If someone has it, you can be an authorized user, and then if you are on it, then you can make someone's authorized user. It will help in your credit as well, and this is a great thing in my point of view. They do report to all the credit bureaus, so keep that in mind. So I'm not gonna stretch the video a lot, as I told you that this is an amazing opportunity. Let's see how the application looks like. So I'm just gonna click right here on apply. As soon as you do that, this page will open. I will paste the link below in the video's description. You can go there, click on it, and the page will open. So right here they say that select your healthcare category, so of course whatever you are going to use it for example, right here I'm going to click dental, and I'm gonna click apply now. So as soon as I do that, this application will start loading. So as soon as it does that, this page will come, and right here they'll be asking for the last four of your social security number. Remember, and I know that you all know, when you provide the last four of social security number, it means a soft pull. So yes, they are going to do that, but remember, if they are going to give you an offer, if you accept it, then they will do a hard pull. If you don't accept it, of course it's not going to affect your credit, so keep that in mind. They require the cell phone number right here. I always tell you to provide your personal cell phone number, because if they need to contact you, then the call will directly come to you. And remember, they have some special financing on the qualifying purchases of $200+ at the initial period. So if you have a medical expenses, or if you have a pending or outstanding medical bill, you can pay with this one with 0 APR, and then you can just pay back that in the next 6, 12 or 24 months, totally up to you, whatever is your convenience. It has no annual fee, so don't worry about it, and the credit decision is instant, and you can see right here. So that's what you can do. I'm not gonna stretch the video a lot, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $30,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So then, thank you so much. Please like this video, it helps the channel grow, and it also motivates us to bring great content just for you guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.